Hello everyone, if you're using Claude and not getting great results, it's usually not the tool, it's how you're prompting it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to structure your prompts so you can consistently get higher quality outputs, and I'll also explain a bit of the reasoning behind why certain prompts work better than others while showing everything on screen so you can follow along. Let's start with a simple example. Right here on my screen, I'm going to type a basic prompt. Write a professional email asking for a meeting. I'll press enter and you can see the output. It's fine, but it's very generic. There's no clear context, no specific tone, and nothing that really stands out. This is what happens when your prompt is too broad, because Claude is trying to average across many possible interpretations. Now, let's improve this by adding structure. Instead of one sentence, I'm going to break this into 3 parts: role, task, and output. So I'll type, you are a professional business analyst. Your task is to write an email requesting a meeting with a manager to discuss a project update. The output should be concise, polite, and clear. Now, when I run this, you can already see the difference. The email is more structured, the tone is more appropriate, and it feels more intentional. The reason this works is because Claude is a pattern-based model. It performs better when you clearly define what kind of response you're looking for. Now, let's take it one step further by adding context. I'm going to refine the prompt and say the meeting is about a delayed project and the goal is to provide an update and discuss next steps. Now, when I run this, the email becomes much more specific. It acknowledges the situation, sets the purpose clearly, and feels more realistic. From a reasoning standpoint, adding context reduces ambiguity, which allows Claude to generate a more relevant and accurate response. Now, here's another important technique: using examples. Instead of just describing what you want, you can show Claude what good looks like. So I'll paste in a short example of a well-written essay and say, write the email in a similar tone to this. When I run this, you can see the tone matches much more closely. This works because Claude is very strong at pattern recognition, so giving it an example anchors the style and structure. Now, let's talk about iteration. Even with a strong prompt, the first output isn't always final. So instead of starting over, you can refine it step by step. I'll say, make this more concise. So as you can see, Claude tightens the email without losing the main message. Then I can say, make the tone slightly more friendly. And again, it adjusts just that aspect. This works because you're narrowing the change instead of reintroducing new ambiguity. Now here's another useful approach: separating thinking from writing. If the task is more complex, you can say, outline the key points before writing the email. When I run this, you can see Claude first organizes the ideas and then writes the final version. This improves structure because you're guiding the process, not just the output. Now, let's look at formatted. You can control exactly how the output looks by being explicit. For example, I can say, format this as a short email with a subject line and keep it under 5 sentences. As you can see, Claude follows that structure exactly. Clear constraints act like boundaries that guide the response. Now, let's combine everything into one strong prompt. I'll type, you are a professional business analyst. Your task is to write a concise email requesting a meeting about a delayed project. The audience is a manager, and the tone should be polite and slightly friendly. Include a subject line, keep it under 5 sentences, and match the tone of this example. Then I paste in a short example and add, make it clear and direct. When I run this, you can see the output is significantly better. It's structured, specific, and ready to use with minimal editing. So across this walkthrough, there's a clear pattern. The best prompts reduce ambiguity and guide Claude toward a specific structure. That means defining a role, being clear about the task, specifying the output, adding context, and using examples and refining through iteration. The more you narrow the range of possible responses, the better the result. Claude is very powerful, but the quality of what you get depends on how you guide it. If you structure your prompts well, the results improve dramatically. Please click the like and subscribe button and see you next time.